things really hit the roof after India's crushing loss in the fourth test at Melbourne, where the normally composed Gautam Gambhir channeled his inner Pushpa, turning it into a raging storm.
मैं फ्लावरी कोच नहीं, फायरी हूँ.
Without name calling, Gambhir lashed out at the team.
Enough is enough. From now on, I will decide how the team plays. Those who don't listen, thank you and goodbye.
Apparently, he believes that he has been forced to watch helplessly for 6 months by the powers that be, even as some players selfishly held on to their places or played their so-called natural game instead of adapting to match situations. And the results? Captain Rohit Sharma, clueless with the bat. So-called greatest of all times Kohli, forever flirting with deliveries outside his off stump, not to mention him getting the informed Yashasvi run out, which eventually cost us the match. And the maverick Rishabh Pant hitting big but getting out fast with a below par top score of 61. After the whitewash by New Zealand, Gambhir was not at all confident in his batters and even clashed with the selectors. We need Pujara to face the Aussies, but was summarily rejected. So while Captain Rohit was away on paternity leave during the first test, he had his way and nursed Harshid Rana and Washington Sundar in the team, hoping they would perform to cement their places, but it was not to be. Now the real fireworks started just before the 5th Sydney test, when Rohit's authority lay completely diminished, both as captain and batter. During the training session, Gambhir apparently ignored Rohit entirely and chatted strategy only with the captain-in-waiting Jasprit Bumrah. All three came out to inspect the pitch, but there was hardly any communication between the head coach and captain. While others trained intensively in the nets for an hour, the captain, probably aware of what lay in store, nonchalantly showed up late, casually dressed in shorts and sweatshirt. And his 40-minute hit was a light throwdown, a mere shadow of pre-match intense preparations. But here's the kicker. Reports suggest that Rohit tried bypassing Gambhir by cajoling his deputy Bumrah and the chairman of selectors Ajit Agarkar into getting a chance to play in Sydney. Gambhir reportedly even received a request from some influential cricket administrator. Scotty, let it be Rohit's farewell test. But Gambhir didn't relent. No way. WTC final hopes lie on this game. And thus was Rohit axed from the team. Dropped for poor form or rested. You choose the term. Surely with BCCI approval, as it is almost inconceivable that the all-powerful captain could be dropped just like that. Jay Shah has wholeheartedly supported Rohit in the past, and Jay Shah is the one who brought Gambhir in too, and this time he sided with the coach. From Rohit's high of a T20 World Cup victory to the lows of the worst phase of his batting and captaincy, his roller coaster was wobbling badly now. After a fantastic relationship that Rohit shared with the previous coach Rahul Dravid, the cracks between Gambhir and Rohit Sharma were creating a storm that was drowning the Indian cricket team. But before moving ahead, let me ask you, are you a business owner wasting time drowning in your employees' receipts? Tracking expenses feels like a never-ending nightmare? So it's time for an organized solution. Check the Odoo Expenses app that will help you say goodbye to the chaos of receipts. You will surely remember the all-in-one management software Odoo we had introduced in some of our earlier videos with many amazing app features. With Odoo Expenses, submitting, managing and approving expenses is now effortless. Do it via desktop or mobile or simply email it, your choice. Group your expenses into a single report for faster approvals. Need to clarify something? Add comments directly through the chatter or log note within the app. Managers can review, approve or reject expenses in a single click. The side-by-side view of receipts and expenses ensures transparency and speeds up decisions. Save hours of work. Once approved, expenses are automatically posted and reconciled in your accounting books. No manual hustle required. Last but not the least, track team expenses in real time by date, department, location, etc. and re-invoice customer-related expenses effortlessly. The best part, Odoo's first app is free with unlimited support and lifetime hosting. So join over 12 million users worldwide. Click the link in the description and use Odoo's Expenses to streamline expense management because your time is precious. Now back to the story on how and why we reached such a disappointing state of affairs in Indian cricket and future course of action. Rohit, who usually spends hours on pre-game planning and chatting with players, on this tour to Australia had not been doing so, He used to always have shoulders around players, like when he explained to Sanju Samson why he wasn't picked for the T20 World Cup final. Could it be that poor form weighed heavily on his mind, affecting his captaincy and equations within the team? As far as coaches are concerned, communication isn't as good as it was under Rahul Dravid and Ravi Shastri. Gambhir hasn't taken up the mantle, as it is reported that he mostly disagrees with the majority of the players. Many feel clueless and alienated with Gambhir's style of functioning, as they are scared of how he would react in a situation. A reserve player even complained to an Indian reporter at a kebab shop at 1:45 a.m. late one night.
Nobody says anything to me in the team. Not the captain, not the coach. I don't know what's happening.
So is it because of Rohit and Gambhir's aloofness that the GOAT Ashwin fell sidelined and retired midway through the series? It is rumored that neither of the seniors spoke to him, as if he was there simply as a spare. Even his father made a statement that his son may have quit because of humiliation. If Gambhir wanted to retire the veterans, Kohli, Rohit and Ashwin, and ease transition, he could have done it like how England did it, professionally, as with veteran James Anderson.
Jimmy, you're not in our plans for the Ashes next year. Would be best if you retire now, mate, with grace.
Gambhir Rohit's lack of chemistry also created fissures in team unity. Behind Rohit's back, when he was not there during the first test, at least a couple of players put their name in the hat to become captain.
Only we can help the team win this series.
No one knows their identities exactly, but too many players have captaincy ambitions. Bumrah deservedly, but also Rahul and Pant, and youngsters like Gill. And then there is Kohli. Speculation is that he was selfishly positioning himself as a Mr. Fix-It, ready to step in as interim captain.
Young guns are not ready to take over leadership roles.
That there seems some truth in it can be seen that when Bumrah left the field with back spasms, it was not Pant but Kohli who captained the side. Despite being in pretty poor form for the last 5 years with an average of just 30, star culture in India has ensured that Kohli has been able to cling to his seat in the team. And his disgraceful acts of sledging and bumping in this series has only added to the toxicity around the team rather than motivating it. Apparently, both Rohit and Kohli have a large paid digital army that seeks out any negative videos and comments and trolls and reports them, as there is just too much money at stake. Brand deal values are often linked to their remaining captain or being part of the playing 11. Players have also questioned Gambhir's support staff, specifically batting coach Abhishek Nair, who has barely played international cricket and supposedly been unable to help struggling batters. It's been reported that even after the solitary victory at Perth, the one happy moment in the series, players broke into groups to celebrate. The unity of old was gone. However, Indian cricket has seen such chaos before, when coach Greg Chappell similarly dropped captain Saurav Ganguly after a string of poor scores. At that time as well, Chappell's email criticizing Ganguly's leadership similarly leaked, exposing deep fissures. In 2017, friction between Anil Kumble and Virat Kohli led to significant discord as their authoritative approaches clashed with one another. The test baton has surely passed to Bumrah, who carried the team single-handedly, leading us to victory in the first test and can lead a young team now. But will Rohit captain India in the upcoming Champions Trophy? Did he cut a deal with Gambhir to step down in Sydney in exchange? Unlikely, because even Gambhir's job hangs by a thread. If India fails in the Champions Trophy, Gambhir could be gone. Perhaps we need a coach with test coaching experience who has a vision to unite the team, not just the IPL coaching experience of Gambhir. So will the BCCI have the gall to retire aging stars for the larger good of Indian cricket and for the billion fans caught in this crossfire? Do share what you are feeling. Before we go, do subscribe to Bizbo for more such stories that go beyond the boundary, and do check the link in the description for Odo's expenses management app. Bizbo's Limerick. There was a band of aging cricket stars whose best performances were all below pars. But they wouldn't let go, and it's all about the dough. Now it's time for them to write their memoirs. You will also find these sources listed in our video description section.